the exercise 2.5. The next question is 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3 minus t. So here also it is easy to find because 4 and 3 both are co-prime numbers, so their LCM will be 4 3s are 12. So what we will do, here to multiply by 3 and here full to multiply by 4 and here to multiply by 4 and this to multiply by 12 upon 12. Okay, now when you multiply this, 3 3s are 90 minus 3 2s are 6 upon 12. So 4 2s are 8t minus of plus, that will be again minus 4 3s are 12 again upon 12 is equal to 4 2s are 8 upon 12 minus 12t upon 12. Now take all t to one side. So 9t minus 8t, 12t when it comes to this side plus 12t whole upon 12 is equal to 8 upon 12. Now minus 12 when it goes there, it becomes plus 12 and minus 6 also will become plus 6 all upon 12. What is 9t minus 8t? 1t. 1t plus 12t, 13t upon 12 is equal to 12 plus 8 plus 6. 12 plus 8, 20, 26 upon 12. So 12 gets cancelled. T is equal to 26 upon 13, which is equal to 2. The next question is m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Here also it is easy. 2 and 3 LCM is 6. So multiply throughout by 6, we get 6m minus, here we have to multiply by 3 and here by 6 and here by 2. Okay, so we get 6m upon 6 minus 3m minus of minus plus 3 upon 6. Here it is 6 minus 2 into m. 2m minus into minus plus 4 upon 6. Now take all m to one side. So 6m minus 3m. This minus 2m when it comes here plus 2m whole upon 6. Now when you take all the numbers to that side, it will be 6 plus 4, already it is there. Take this 3 to that side, minus 3 whole upon 6. So this 2 get cancelled. 6 minus 3. 3 plus 2, 5m is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 3, 7. M is equal to 7 upon 5. The next question is simplify and solve the equations. Now here 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. Here we have to open the bracket. So what will you get? 3t minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 5 2s are 10t, 5 into 1 plus 5. Now take all t to one side. 3t minus 10t is equal to 5. 9 will go to that side, it becomes plus 9. 3t minus 10t minus 7t is equal to 9 plus 5, 14. So t is equal to 14 upon minus 7. That is equal to minus 2. So t is equal to minus 2. The next question is 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here also we have to open the bracket and then simplify it and then solve it. So 15y, 15 fours are 60 minus 2y. Here you need to take care, minus of minus 2 into minus 9, that is plus 18 plus 5y plus 5 6 are 30 is equal to 0. Now you got a simple equation, but now you need to take all the like terms together. 15y minus 2y plus y plus 5y minus 60 plus 18 plus 30 equal to 0. Now calculate it. 15 minus 2, 13, 13 plus 5, 18y. Now here minus 60, easy way to subtract minus 60 plus 30 will be minus 30 plus 18 is equal to minus 12 is equal to 0. That is 18y is equal to, bring this minus 12 to this side. It will become plus 12. So y is equal to 12 upon 18. So you know 2 6 are 12 and 3 6 are 18. So 6 6 get cancelled. Y is equal to 2 upon 3. The next question is 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. So first of all we need to open the brackets. So 3 5s are 15z minus 3 7s are 21 minus 2 9s are 18z minus 2 into minus 11 plus 22 is equal to 4 8s are 32z minus 4 13s are 52 minus 70. So take all z to one side. So what will you get? 15z minus 18z. Then take 32z also to this side. It will become minus 32z is equal to minus 52 minus 17. So minus 52 minus 17. This 22, when it goes there, minus 22, and this minus 21 will become plus 21. Now see 15 minus 18. What is 15 minus 18? Minus 3. Minus 3 minus 32, it is minus 35z is equal to, here you see all these are minus, only this is plus. Here minus 22 plus 21, when you do this you will get minus 1. Now 52 plus 1, 53 plus 17. What will be 53 plus 7? 60, 70. But it will be minus. Okay. Now z is equal to minus 70 upon minus 35. 35 2s are 70. So it is 2. Z is equal to 2. Both the sides negative, it will become positive. And the next question is 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. The procedure is the same, just to open the bracket and then simplify it. Now multiply. 25 4s are 100f. But here 2 digit after the decimal, so 1, 2. So you get 1f minus 25 into 3, 75. Again 1, 2 decimal point. Here will be the decimal point. Is equal to 5 tens are 50f. 2 decimal points, 1, 2. So here, and minus 9 into 5 will be minus 45. Again 2 decimal points, so here it will be 0.45. Now take all f to one side. You will get 1f, bring this 0.5f minus 0.50f is equal to minus 0.45. Take this to that side, it will become plus 0.75. Subtract 1 minus 0.5. You will get 0.50f. Okay. 1 minus 0.50. How to do it? 1 you have to write as 1.00 minus 0.50. So here from 100 when you take 50 we get 50. Okay. Is equal to, subtract it. 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 4 3. So f is equal to, again here also decimal point will be there, 0.30 upon 0.50, which is equal to 3 upon 5. Both the sides, numerator and denominator has got equal number of decimal points. So that may get cancelled. You get 3 upon 5. F is equal to 3.3 upon 5. Because the question is in decimal, you can write the answer also in decimal. That is equal to 0.6. How do you get 6? 6 5s are 30. Okay, so the answer is f is equal to 3 upon 5, or you can write f is equal to 0.6. That's all for today. In the next video, we will do some of the applications of these type of equations. Thank you.